Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best Shopkins birthday party decorations on the market. We're talking about the Shopkins Children's Birthday Party Complete Tableware Set. Whether you're planning a celebration for a little one or just love everything Shopkins, this set promises to bring color, fun, and convenience to your party planning. Let's break down what you get with this set. It includes everything you need to set the scene for a Shopkins-themed extravaganza. Plates, cups, napkins, and more, all adorned with vibrant Shopkins designs that any fan will adore. The attention to detail here is fantastic, making it a standout choice for themed parties. One of the standout features of this set is its comprehensive nature. You won't find yourself scrambling for extra party supplies because everything from plates to tablecloths is included. It's not just convenient, it ensures that every aspect of your party ties together perfectly. The quality of the materials is another impressive aspect. The plates and cups are sturdy enough to handle party dynamics without sacrificing on aesthetics. Plus, the colors are vibrant and true to the Shopkins brand, adding a lively atmosphere to any celebration. Speaking of convenience, setup and cleanup are a breeze with this set. The items are disposable, which means less time spent washing dishes and more time enjoying the party. For busy parents and party planners, this is a huge win. Imagine setting up your party table with these eye-catching decorations. It's an instant mood lifter and sets the stage for a memorable celebration. Kids and adults alike will appreciate the effort you've put into creating a themed experience that's as delightful as it is fun. In conclusion, the Shopkins Children's Birthday Party Complete Tableware Set is not just about convenience and quality, it's about bringing joy and excitement to your next celebration. Whether you're hosting a birthday bash or any Shopkins-themed event, this set deserves a place at your party table. That wraps up our review today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the latest and greatest products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.